everyone, it's so nice to be back. So how are you guys doing? Hope everybody is just doing fine while watching. So for today's video, this will show you a shoe rack being assembled to be a wrapper stand or a wrapper organizer. Since I make balloon bouquets, balloon on pot, and other arrangements which need wrappers or linings, so this item is really a must for me. As you can see on the item name, it's a shoe rack. This will be assembled not for my shoes, but for the wrappers I have on my balloon shop. This item will give me convenience, for this would allow me to see what are the available colors or available styles of the wrappers that will be used for my arrangement. As we open the box, we can see these long tubes. These are the longest among the others. More tubes, and these are shorter ones. More and more tubes. The shortest. We also have these white plastic tubes. This will be placed on each edge of the rack. This one is a cloth material which serve as a layer of the rack. We also have this manual on how to assemble. It includes parts identification and the number of pieces of each part. At the back, you can see the steps on how to assemble this rack. We have until step 4. So as you can see, there are markings on each plastic bags. The other one, there's letter B, C, and letter D. So it won't make confusions as you go along and assemble these parts. So let's start. For the first layer, I will be needing this cloth material. Same with the second and third layer. And it has its purpose, and you will see it by the end of the video. 3 layers are done already. So for the fourth layer, we are not going to use the cloth lining or cloth material. I just want to share to you that I was about to order a real wrapper stand, but it cost way too expensive compared to this shoe rack. And I'm gonna show you the prices of these wrapper stand or wrapper racks. And these are the prices on shops online. As you can see, the prices reach 1,000, or I mean thousands. But for this shoe rack, it only cost hundreds, at around 600 pesos, including the shipping fee. See how much I saved from modifying this shoe rack into a wrapper stand? I really have saved a lot. Going to finish our wrapper stand. So these are the last pieces for this shoe, or I mean wrapper rack. The height is approximately 6 feet. Since my wrapper stand is already done and is ready for the wrappers, I am going to show you my wrappers on the shop. So this is it. This is where I placed my wrappers. They are just piled over the other. You can see the rolls of ribbons. You can see the other wrappers, other linings, more ribbons. We are going to place them on this wrapper rack. So let us start. front part is already filled with these wrappers. We are still having this back area. We're going to fill this one again with wrappers, and also we're going to place the ribbons here, the rolled ribbons here. There. Let us now place all these rolled ribbons on the side. First, you have to detach this one, this tube, so we can insert the rolled ribbon. Start filling up the back area of this wrapper stand. Now we are going to use these 3 layers which I have told earlier on this video. I am going to place rolled wrappers here. You just have to arrange them. Place it in order. You can arrange them by colors, by length, or any way you want it to be. And that's it, guys. So here is the final output of our shoe rack becoming a wrapper stand. I hope you guys like this and you'll get some idea from it. Thank you.